Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean or Mustang09 bringing you a new video, and today I've got just a tip Tuesday. Just a quick tip, just a tip. It's not gonna be a long one, short one. Just a real short video. We're gonna be talking about this $16 foam cannon that I got off of Amazon, and we're gonna see if it actually works. We're gonna put it to the test right now. It's been raining for 2 weeks straight in Texas, maybe longer, and this truck is filthy. I've already went ahead and pre-sprayed it down with water, just a pressure washer, so now we're gonna snap this bad boy in. It comes with the quick fitting. As you saw at the beginning, it comes with 3 pieces, the top, the little hose, and the bottle. You put them together, easy as that. We have some Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys in there. Put it on the pressure washer, and we'll see how bad this thing foams up. Let's go. Look at all that foam. This thing is pretty awesome for $16. You got to go check it out on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Super satisfied with it. So there are 2 adjustments that you need to know about. One is the fan on the tip. So when you turn this, you can see inside of here, these nozzles open and close, and that's going to be how broad of a spray you have. And up here is your mixture for your soap and your water when it's coming through the gun. So this is going to be key to adjust, and you're going to get that real thick foam that comes out of this cannon. I mean, for $16 compared to what the bigger companies sell for $100, I don't think you can go wrong with this. So definitely give it a shot. It's worth the $16, especially if you're Amazon Prime. You get it like next day. This thing was amazing. Yeah, so thanks for watching Just a Tip Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video. If you got any questions about the products that I'm using to clean my vehicles, that's down in the comments. I'm always there answering you guys' stuff or just replying and saying what's up. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe. New videos all the time. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Catch you boys later. Peace.